Finally, we are here.
Actually,
Achule. अगर एक पैर हार गया तो the game is over.
Before we start our exciting journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Fab Sikkim for more exciting content.
So now, अभी हम बाइक छोड़ के we are now going on foot. So now, अभी हम चल के जाना पड़ेगा. It might take 1 hour. So now we are going. Let's go. Wow.
You got to be lucky enough to experience this kind of unique bridge. ये जो सस्पेंशन ब्रिज है, this is a bamboo bridge, and इसको अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना है तो you have to come to Zongu. This is beautiful.
What an experience! Woo! And ये थोलुंग का रास्ता है, थोलुंग मोनास्ट्री का. And this is the way towards Pentong. So right now we are going Pentong to attend Zomal Fest.
म साथी त छोडिदिन्छु अरे नि मुखमै ल त्यसोमा गएको अरे दुईजना रिसाएर
पहाड़ों में एक अलग ही जादू होता है, एक ऐसी भाषा जो सिर्फ पेड़ों की सरसराहट और हवा की फुसफुसाहट में सुनी जा सकती है. और ऐसे ही हम आप सबको ले जा रहे हैं पेंतोंग की यात्रा पर. This is no ordinary mountain. This is nature's most breathtaking and most dangerous creation. Crowned with snow touching the skies, it looks as though an artist painted a dream upon the heavens. After an hour of hike, we finally reached Pentong, the heart of Zomal culture.
Okay, so we are finally here at Pentong. So अभी हम Pentong पहुंच चुके हैं after 30-40 minutes of hike. So and this is Pentong. As you can see, ये Pentong है. और ये जो नीचे आप देख रहे हैं नीचे पर जहाँ पर कलरफुल फ्लैग्स वगैरह है, दैट इज़ पेंतोंग का जो मल फेस्ट है वो वही पर हो रहा है. एंड एज यू कैन सी द ब्यूटीफुल हाउसेस, इतना ब्यूटीफुल एंटिक हाउसेस, जो स्ट्रक्चर्स वगैरह है. The place itself is beautiful. Finally, we are here. Actually, and we're good to go. So we are quite late. आज का event जो है ख़त्म हो चुका है and because VIPs वगैरह आए थे, so that is why they have ended the program very fast. This is the beautiful place. Wow. Come ready तुम. तुम लाचुन बोला? ए लास. Lai, kai along sorong sa turn-on brasa. Along local din nagadat kai. Eh last. Okay, so this is the welcome gate. Okay. Pontung Lam homestay. This is Anup Dorji's homestay. As you can see, itna beautiful flowers वगैरह भी है, and it's been so many years. Some things have changed, but it has changed into a beautiful thing. More beautiful हो गया और सुंदर हो गया ये जगह. पकीचू homestay ये दूसरा homestay है. There's another one. Come here. This is another homestay out here. Pakachu homestay, and this is my real brother's home. I'm chilling homes. Everything is fine. Hello. Này, đi lâu vậy à chứ? Ông đi lâu vậy liêu. Raw, we'll catch the event tomorrow. Our direct will hit the dining one. Okay. So I used to come and stay out here and here. ये मेरा भाई का बड़ा भाई का घर है. My cousin brothers. This is the place. Hey, Azam. किधर न चला? प्रोग्राम चाहिँ अब त हामी वर्कसपको लागि आएको हैन. How are you now? Like, we are quite late. How are you now? Dilo bhai. Soke ko tomorrow se na event. Event soke. Tomorrow soke. Tomorrow video utam jo mon se ko soke. Chele. Chalo. As predicted, आज का program finished. We'll have to catch the event tomorrow. So event जो है वो वाला event को catch करेंगे. तो कल का event को catch करेंगे. This is the place. Okay. Basically ये है. Okay. Direct trip है. सताई. दिलो बन गए. ठुलो कुरा हो. Again. Dilo kan kayak. Entah bah. Boleh. So this is the place. So later we'll do a walk around of this place. अभी के लिए सब खत्म है. Này, anh xong cái soi trong được có. Cái soi đấy nè. Cái đi lâu nè. Alam đi à con. So this is we are eating even now. After everything is done, nonetheless it's fine. We are here. So this is the place. हामी ढिलो भएछ आज आइपुग्नु. अगमित आगो तपाईको के बनाइछ कि यसमा चाहिँ अब हामी ढिलो आइपुग्दा चाहिँ
अब सरी है भोलि एटेन्ड गरौँला. आज चाहिँ भयो ढिलो भयो. भोलि हेरौँ खास कुरा चाहिँ. ओके
जगर्सन तुनन भयो अब सकेको रहेछ है
मुकुन
आलुङ लोकल छ रहेछ
अब यो लन्च सकेर त्यहाँ पर छ अरे एउटा
Okay, so right now we are going to see the Kane Bridge. We call it Rusom in Lipcha, and we are going there to see how is the Kane Bridge made by a traditional, an indigenous skill. Techniques are used to make that, where no modern techniques are used.
लोकल गाइड भेटे कि
Okay, so it's quite far away. अभी यहाँ से बहुत दूर है, but still we'll go. Wow. So these things जो आप देख रहे हो ये नीचे green हरा भरा, these are all kuru. We call it kuru in Rong, in Lepcha. This is one of the traditional vegetables locally found here. इसको kuru कहते हैं हम, kuru. We get this kuru in like two types of kuru. One is kurot and one is kuru. Why it is called kuru kurot? This because उसका जो taste जो होता है, the taste is like one is like a bitter, bit bitter, and the दूसरा जो होता है उसका taste is good, plain. और ये जो है both the things इन इसका जो flowers वगैरह जो होता है ना, ये flowers के ख़त्म होने से seeds निकलता है इनका. So those seeds are like smashed and the powders are produced. Those flowers जो होता है वहाँ से निकलता है. This is the way towards the swamp. आज गएन त फेरि भोलि त बैठिन्छन् फेरि हाम्रो. Okay, so this is the Kane Bridge and Anam is going. Okay, this is the Kane Bridge. It looks so dangerous. The height is extreme. I guess it is like 40 to 50 feet का तो height तो है, almost है. And what is so amazing is that this is the Rusom. This is the Kane Bridge. This is the Kane. यही प्लान का जो रोप बनाकर इसका बनाता है. This is Ru. This is the traditional technique, traditional architect of making a bridge, and this is like no artificial things are used out here. Just the bamboo and the cane का जो part होता है वही use हुआ है इसमें. So this is like a great skill and architect of indigenous community. This is really awesome. So I'll just try with it. ये जो main है यहाँ से गया हुआ है, and you can see जो middle part है उसमें कोई support भी नहीं है. There is no support, and it's my turn to go. Okay, so while vlogging also I have to be very careful because अगर एक पैर बाहर गया तो the game is over. The game is over. This is really dangerous, man. Okay, I'll just get you a 360 shot of this. Lord, I am my Lord, what is Okay, I'm finally here. I've crossed the thing, and it's quite scary, man. Whoa. This is really scary, man. But you know, hats off to the people, those who have made this. This is the first ever. This is my first time, you know, experiencing this kind of bridges, because uh, this is like pure traditional, you know, knowledge. And इसमें वही है बात, no wires, nothing, no steel, no irons are used out here to build the structure, just the bamboo and the cane and the tree trunks that are available here. That's it. तार पनि छैन, के कलम पनि छैन. है
होइन पहिला मान्छेले एकछिन टाइमको मान्छेले यस्तोमा हिँड्थ्यो नि त. हामी नै त म भनेको कत्रो मान्छेले पहिला यस्तोमा हिँड्थ्यो.
Okay, so the slash and burns that you are seeing out here, अभी आप देख रहे होगे कि पेड़ सब कटा हुआ है. No trees are here, no plants are here. It looks dry out here. Why? It is because this is the traditional culture, you know, slash and burn agriculture practice that is practiced, and it is preserved in this area. Okay, so tomorrow what is going to happen out here is like, you know, after all this are done, the land is ready for tomorrow's event. But this is not just an event, but this is like a traditional practice. So what it is done is like, यहाँ पर कल को जो खेती होता है वो धान का खेती होता है, राइस कल्टीवेशन. ये ड्राई टाइप का राइस होता है, एक डिफरेंट टाइप का है. अदर जो होता है द पैडी कल्टीवेशन, इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, and whereas this one is like a bit different. We just need a dry land here, so it is shown in this area. So we'll show you tomorrow how it is done. And here there's a small shed, a shelter is prepared out here, like it is.
So ये शॉट मैंने इवनिंग को लिया था. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग आउट हियर इज़ दैट ये जो आप लैंड देख रहे हो यहीं पर ड्राई राइस कल्टीवेशन होता है. एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू द पीपल हु रियली वर्कड हार्ड टू प्रिपेयर दिस लैंड. इसको बनाने में इतना ज़्यादा मेहनत लगता है कि आप सोच ही नहीं सकते. सो हैट्स ऑफ टू एवरीवन हु took part in preserving this culture of sowing dry rice. So after we went on a visit at dry rice cultivation area, we came back and हम यहाँ पर बैठ के देखा कि यहाँ पर workshop हो रहा था. Workshop was based on some important things like इसको, ये जो culture को preserve करने के लिए कौन सा step उठाया जाए in future, how can this be promoted at its best level. So इसको कैसे promote करें. और different जगह से आया था रिसोर्स पर्सन्स जो अपने हिसाब से अपने बेस्ट दे रहे थे कि हमारा ये जो लैंड है कितना पोटेंशियल है इस लैंड में. सो एवरीवन, सब ने यहाँ पर अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है टू प्रमोट ड्राई राइस कल्टीवेशन एंड प्रिजर्व दिस यूनिक कल्चर ऑफ सोइंग ड्राई राइस. So these are the rooms of the homestays जहाँ पर हम ठहरे थे. And it is very much comfortable, and the food and everything which was served in evening was like so good. And you know, जो भी चीज़ें थे, it was all organic and all local foods, and one must go and experience it.
We have reached the monastery of this village. ये जो है अभी आप जो दिख रहे हैं, this one is the monastery. और ये जो है blue one, this is the kitchen cum dining है ये monastery का. And ये जो देखिए, वाह. Erung Tenzing Lepcha,
त्यसमा चाहिँ डान्स पनि हुन्छ नि
Honorable MLA, Jinpong constituency. Okay, so these are the seeds of dry rice. ये जो है seeds है, ये ऊपर एक दो seeds बाहर आया हुआ है. And this is how dry rice cultivation is done. You just need a stick, just make a hole and then put the seeds inside. Simple as that. But the hardest part is that you have to prepare the land first. You've got to clear up the area, dry it, burn everything, and finally वो जो फील्ड जो होता है वो रेडी होता है कल्टीवेशन के लिए. As you can see, I am just behind the main village. Behind me is the main village, and so अभी हम उधर जो हिल टॉप है नेटवर्क द्वारा वहाँ से आके now we are going to another point, hill point, where there is Guru Rinpoche का statue है. So we'll go and see.
And with this, we are at the end of our journey to Pentong. So I could show you in this vlog the place where dry rice cultivation hota hai. But sadly, we could not join the main event जहाँ पर dry rice cultivation किया गया है, because it was raining very heavily and we had to cover a very long distance to go back.
Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. So अचानक से हमारा plan change हो गया because it's raining and we fear that जो रास्ता जो है block ना हो जाए and we have to cover a long distance. That is why we are going back. And as said, अभी हम निकल रहे हैं from the village, and this are the main old homestays which are here. So I'll be dropping the links, the names on the description box. Please do go through my description box. I'll keep all the details available. So this is it.
Leaving behind the place which we were so excited to visit, it's a hard feeling, but this is life. We have to get back to the track no matter how much we want to stay there. So with this, we are at the end of our journey. Hope you enjoyed our journey to Pentong, the heart of Zomal Fest. So with this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Fab Sikkim. If you enjoyed my video, please stay connected and don't leave your helmet behind. Ride safe.